Okay. I'm also waiting, eh? Good.
Good afternoon, sir.
Excuse me. I'll call you back, eh? Young lady,
Sir?
how can I help you?
Sir, I saw a sample outside. HACCP needed, so I said, let me come and...
Has help. We need a young girl, not an big lady like you.
Sir,
I'm looking for a young girl.
I can do anything. Anything I can do. I can walk. Anything that small girl can do, me too, I can do it. I can walk. I can do anything.
You can do anything.
Yes. Both cleaning of house, washing of plates. There is nothing I cannot do. Even cooking. I know how to cook very well.
Okay. If that's so, peculiar. Okay, just go inside there. You will see my daughter.
Yes, this place.
Just enter the room there.
Okay.
You will see my daughter.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
This country is something. But a big lady like this looking for where to do herself. Wow.
Jesus, who are you? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Daddy! Daddy!
Peculiar.
Who is this woman?
This is the woman I just employed. Outside, I asked her to come and meet you.
Employed? Daddy, this woman attacked me spiritually.
You that came begging for